In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you a few quick tricks that will save you hours when working with disconnected ranges of data and formulas.
Excellent.
Here we have a classic layout for a scenario modelling sheet. We're partway through building our file. In column C we were looking at just option 1, but now we want to amend the formula. So cell C4 has been updated and we want to apply this change to all of the other cells in column C without affecting the formatting. We have a heap of different data types and formats there. This is a really common thing in modelling. Most people would probably copy, paste into the other cells one section at a time, correct the formatting if need be, and copy down, repeat the process down the sheet. On a big sheet this can be really time consuming. But watch this. I select the whole range of data that I want to change. Find and select. Formulas, because there's currently formulas in all those cells, they're just wrong. F2 to enter the first cell that's already correct. And Control and Enter to update the whole lot instantly. You can also use copy and paste formulas combined with this same go-to trick. Now, what about if I want to add something to each section where the cells are currently empty? Let's say I want some text comments in column I. I don't know why, this is just an example. Maybe it would be a formula or something. First, let's connect the whole set of ranges together by just sticking something in column D. Just a bunch of X's. Then apply an autofilter. Filter out the blank rows. And add data to the visible rows only. Remove the autofilter and the column D data, and you'll see we've aligned our new text to our existing disconnected blocks of inputs. If we want, we can now use the first trick we saw to select those constants. Something else that I do occasionally when working with larger data sets is to make a quick flag against any relevant row that I'm looking at. Literally stick a piece of text against this row and say this row, and then use keyboard shortcuts to jump between them. In this case, Control and arrow to jump between cells containing data. On a large set of data, this is a really useful way of jumping backwards and forwards between what I'm interested in. Finally, let's say I wanted to extract just the rates from this table, i.e. the percentages. Again, this isn't a great example, but it demonstrates a useful trick, and I'm not feeling very original today. So I'm going to collapse all my rows and then open up only the ones I want to see, so the rates. If I then copy this section and paste it below, watch what happens. It's copied the whole section, including the hidden rows which I didn't want. But look at this button here, see this? This is called Select Visible Cells. Click it and you'll see the selection borders have changed. Copy and paste, and now you only get the visible cells. One thing with this though, any formulas in those cells will be pasted as values only. Formulas are not retained when copying from disconnected ranges. So where did this button come from? File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar, filter on Commands Not in the ribbon, scroll down to Select Visible Cells, and add it to the Quick Access Toolbar. So there you go, 4 time-saving tricks you'll hopefully remember next time you need them. These are great examples of things you don't usually learn in a training course, only through experience. I've been practicing Excel for 20 years or more, and hopefully I'm able to show you a few more tricks soon. Okay, thanks for watching.
Excellent.